2020 halted our lives as we know it, but companies still managed to power through and release an array of products that delighted gadget lovers. The premium truly wireless IEM segments didn't slow down one bit, with launches happening at full speed across the globe. For the Digit 01 award, the winner is considered based only on performance, and other factors such as build, price, design, and other extraneous features don't really matter. This year, the Sony WF-1000XM3 won the award for the best performing truly wireless IEM in the premium segment. Equipped with stellar noise cancellation abilities and a balanced yet vibrant sound profile, the Sony WF-1000XM3 managed to impress us in several ways, which is why it ended up winning the award this year. Here's Sony with a message for you.
Hello everyone, I'm Mani Balan, Product Manager, Sony Audio Products. We are very pleased to receive the award for WF-1000X Mark III as the best truly wireless headphone of the year 2020. We launched this model in the month of August, and since then it has created several records for us as well as for the market. With industry-leading noise cancellation, premium audio quality, a long battery life, built-in voice assistance, and many other features, WF-1000X Mark III has become the first choice for Indian consumers in the premium TWS segment. We thank all the jury members for choosing WF-1000X Mark III as the best truly wireless headphone, and also we would like to thank all the Sony fans for making this possible. Please enjoy your favorite music through the best truly wireless headphone, WF-1000X Mark III. Thank you.
While Sony came out on top, the runner-up didn't really lag too far behind. The Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 bagged the title of the runner-up this year. The Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 features outstanding control when it comes to lows and mids reproduction. However, it lagged behind the Sony when it comes to ANC performance and reproducing highs, which in particular lacked detail. The best buy in this category is an excellent value for money purchase for those who want really good sound quality without breaking the bank. The RHA TrueConnect 2 bagged the best buy title this year. This second generation product shows drastic improvement over the first generation with a better overall sound and better reproduction of the bass and mids as well. Those were the top contenders in the premium truly wireless IEM category. We'd like to thank all the brands for participating in the Digit 01 awards. The contenders really pushed the envelope this year, and we're really excited to see what 2021 has in store for us. Thank you.